How to Code, Part 11. Hey guys, welcome to another LearnitLen video tutorial. This is part, actually what part is this? Part 11, that's it. If you remember from part 10, where we left off was we were doing, H2 class names and stuff like that, which is, as you can see over here. So, welcome to League of Legends, it's up here, and, we started focusing on getting the image up and so on. I didn't actually show you how to do a bit of Photoshop in order to stick it down. Yeah, but anyways, so let's get started. In part 11, what I'm gonna pretty much do is we're gonna finish this. Yeah, we're gonna finish the content for this page. It won't take long, and let me show you why. Alright, so character's name, we've done that. Okay, we finished our header, and next what we're gonna do is, so let's just go back a bit, a few spaces, and we're gonna type in brackets content like so, close, and let's do this. We're gonna do enter, brackets p class equals speech marks, and what we're going to call it is character description 1. Yes, actually no, we're not going to call it character description 1, we're just going to call it character description. No space bars, and what we're going to do is we're going to close the bracket, and we're going to do, we're going to type in Aatrox. Actually no, you know what, I've got a better idea. To save time, what I've done is gone onto this page, and we could just copy and yep, and we're gonna copy like so, and we're gonna paste it in like so, and then once we've done that, what I'm going to type in, I'm going to do we're going to test this out. So if we do open brackets p like so, so we're going to end the paragraph, we're going to end this paragraph with this tag here. Yes, alright. And if I do control and save, go back onto the website, it's here. Yeah, it's all, yeah, it's pretty neat. But what we want to do is we want to space it out a bit, don't we? So the best thing to do is we're going to do open brackets br, and then another open brackets br again, control and save, refresh, and as you can see, it's created that space within your website. That's pretty neat. So what I'm going to next do is I'm going to go spacebar, and we're going to type in, we're going to grab this, and we're going to copy it like so, and then instead this will be number 2 because it's our second. And so what I'm next going to do is close. I don't want to see your face. I'm going to grab this bit, copy it here, and I got this from League of Legends website because I'm a bit lazy, and we're going to go here, and we're going to first do a few spaces, control and V, and I want a space within it, so I want a bracket br bracket, BR, close bracket, save. I'm gonna go here, refresh it, like so. And yeah, so that's looking pretty decent. And there we have that. So now we've got our header, or header 3 or 2, whatever it is. That's going to be the title for the character. Well, this is the class for him anyway, Swordbearer. So if you're doing it, you'd probably put the title in it, for instance, Aatrox, whatever. You'd have his description on it, and so on. And that is pretty much what we needed to do. The next thing I want us to do is then to get a video, and I've gone on to typing in Aatrox because that's the name of the character. So let's just click on any of them, or what you can do is you can go like so, watch on YouTube, and then if I pause it here, so actually I'll let it play so you can see, but what you want to do is, alright, there we go, just leave it like that. Alright, so if we want to put this video here and we want to insert it on this page, so the good thing is about YouTube is that they've got something called an embedded form. So if you are sharing it, you've got this share button here which allows you to do it on social media. You can do an embed, and this is basically the code that you are going to need. So automatically it highlights it all for you, and you can actually change the video size if you wanted to. So I'm going to go for 640 by 360 for instance, because it looks prettier. And I can add a border if I go like this. So if you go into the code and you see where frame border is, you can go here, remove that and put one there, like so. It won't show here, but it will look kind of decent. There are limitations. You can't have like a massive border, it only allows you to do a small one. And yeah, so, but you can change the height and the width. Anyways, so once we take this, we're going to control and copy, control and C for copy, and we're going to go here, and what we're going to do is we're going to press enter, and we're going to do control and V, and then control and save. And by doing so, by going here, we do control and refresh. As you can see, here it is. It looks very pretty. You can play it on your website, whatever. I can edit this photo to remove the background if you do that on Photoshop. In my later videos I'll show you how to use Photoshop so you can make icons and so on that removes the photo or the background or whatever. Anyways, let's move on. So the next thing we're going to do is, now that we have it all lined up and everything, so we're going to remove the border. I don't want the border on it. I think it's silly to have a border on it, so we're going to put 0 instead. And if you hadn't noticed, yeah, there it is. This has changed. The border on the outside of this has changed from a grey to just plain. I'm not going to show you because you've already seen it. And before that though, what I want to do is, so if we go back here where character description is, we're going to end it here. We're going to put P class, or a P tag, paragraph tag, and we've ended it. And because we've focused on our content, which is here, I want us to end the content as well. And so if I do press enter, space a few times, content, like so. It's beautiful coding, isn't it? Let's bring this back up a bit. There we go. Okay, and let's save. Let's refresh it. Good. Now, just want to do this. Where what we're going to do now is underneath content where we've ended it, we're going to do div style. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I typed it in my previous coding, but we're going to say float to the left. No, we're going to make that. Sorry. So div style equals speech marks float. We're going to say right, and then we're going to do margin. We're going to do negative 40%, and then 15 pixels, and then 5 pixels, and then 0, and then hopefully this will change something. Anyways, and if it doesn't, it doesn't matter. And there it is. As you can see, it's changed positioning. So that is how you can change basically your video location. So if I do left save, as you can see, it's moved to the left. I want to move this down, so if I do negative 40, but instead I do positive 40%, save. Where is it gone? Where has that video gone? It's probably hid behind there actually. 400, save, fresh. Okay, okay, I know where it is. There it is. Okay, that's too much. Funny, no it's not. Alright, let's do 90, control and save. And the reason why I'm just working it through is so you can see how it changes about. Oh god, this is a pain. Let's do 200, save. Okay, I want to do less, so let's make that 100, save. And it's not appearing, which is being a pain in the ass. Let's do 100 pixels. There it is. So I've just changed it to 100 pixels. It's not the best idea to do it in percentages, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, it'll change the location depending on if you zoom out or not. The good thing is about the image, it stays no matter how many times you change the image. I mean, sorry, the zoom. Why am I saying image? The image, this Aatrox image, will stay the same no matter how many times you zoom in, as you can see. Yeah? Yes. But this will stay roughly in the same place and will normally align itself underneath our text, so it all looks fairly quite neat, which is exactly what we want. Let's do 90. So there we go. Anyways, now that we've got that all sorted, next thing to do is we're just going to do this, and we're going to do bracket dash div close the bracket. So we've got an open tag and a closing tag, as I like to say. Let me just check my notes. Okay. And so what I'm next going to do is just simply going to copy this, and you know what is going to happen? I think you already do, and what I'm going to do is I'm simply just going to copy, Control and C and Control and V, and let's go to the very bottom, enter, Control and V, save it, refresh, and there we go. So now that we've done this, Okay, we could always just simply go here, but in between it, do some breaks. BR like so. I'm gonna copy this, Control and V a few times, save, and as you can see it's moved down, which is what we need. So if I go back up here, go down here and do 1, 2, 3, 4 for the sake of it, and it's pushed down. Good. Let's do a few more actually. Yes. And save. See what happens. Whoa, that's too much. But anyways, as you can see, you can kind of get the gist of it. It does work quite nicely actually. And okay, yeah. Let me just copy this and actually go back down here where I only did 3. Control and save, refresh. So I've lined it up, so in case you wanted any more other descriptions and so on, then yeah, you could basically just copy what I did. Yeah. And if you want to change it, please feel free to change it. And right now I'm about to move on to the very last bit. So if we go all the way down, after you've copied your character's description and so on 3 times, if you wanted to add more characters, more words, or add in, you know, different videos here and there depending on what character you're doing, or what website you're doing, if it's like different socks for instance, or different shoes, I don't care. You do what you want, you make as many of these as you want, and it's totally up to you, but I'm kind of lazy. Well, kind of. Anyways, so we've done that, and the next, or the last thing to do is to go like this, close the bracket, article, like so, which started off here, and ooh, I just realized that could make a massive, no, that's good, okay, and close it off, article, we're going to type in yeah. I just realized we've already got these down here. Control and save, control and refresh. It's good to be me. I'm not gonna lie, it is good to be me. Okay. So, now that we've got that sorted out, let me just neatly have it lined up. Hey, yay, 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 yay. Article class. Alright. What you should do is, I just realized, is by looking in the coding bit here, you should make sure that there is the ending tag at the very end of it where you say article, a bit similar to this one where it comes underneath the div. So this one, and I'm going to type in article, an ending tag. I'm going to control copy that one, and I'm going to bring that straight down here where the div is. 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Refresh. Beautiful, there's the videos, and so on. So, and that's pretty much it. I mean, we've sorted out the design. So we've got our video background here that we're going to design in CSS. We've got our logo here. We've got our, well, this is going to be our navigation bar at the top. And this is going to be our title, Welcome to League of Legends. This is my revelation to a new world of computer science. We've got our link that we're going to once again edit in CSS. We've got Sword Bearer, as our class for this character. We've got descriptions. We've got the video for that character, and we've done that 3 times. We've even ended it here. In fact, what I'm gonna next do is go down here where the article is, and I'm gonna put BR like so. Save it, refresh it, and so on. That way. Ooh, maybe I should put a bit more down there. Okay, dokie. Copy. No, I just realized that's in the wrong place. Control X, and I'm gonna go here. It's good that I actually do make these mistakes, so then that way you can kind of see how it works. It's not, sometimes you're gonna be like, oh, okay, I made a mistake there, should change that, so on. So I personally believe that I should just leave all these mistakes in, so that way people can see what they're missing. If I'm making a mistake here or not, it's good learning curve, I guess. So yeah, put the breaks actually underneath our video here in the div here, and that way it'll create a gap between here and there. Actually, just add one more there, just in case, because right now I just realized the breaks are focusing more on the video. If that video was shifted more upwards, then this itself might come down, and yeah, you might want to add in some space. So other than that, we're done. That was quick, a lot quicker than our index page, but nicely done. Anyways, the CSS is the one that's going to take a long time, that's for sure. So thank you guys, hope you had a good day, and wait up for part 11. So yeah,
thank you for watching. Please make sure to watch all the other episodes, part 10, part 9, 8, 7, all the way down to 1. That's if you want an effective website that you've been taught by me on how to create a website. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe down there or up here, and I hope you have a good week.